Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. I'm the crochet designer behind stitchberryblog.com, where I share a ton of simple, feminine, cozy crochet patterns. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, I will have the link to my website down below. And today I'm so excited because I'm sharing cozy crochet patterns for fall, and all of these crochet patterns are free, so you do not need to buy any patterns. I think most of them have like ad-free PDF versions, but they're all either video tutorials or free patterns. And they're so cozy, and to me they scream fall, and this list of patterns is really motivating me with all of my fall projects, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So grab a project, grab a cozy drink. I'm just drinking some iced coffee. It's not very fall vibes, but it's what I'm in the mood for this morning, and let's dive in with these cozy crochet patterns for fall. Also, before we get into this, I will have links to all of the patterns down below as well. So the first crochet pattern is what I'm wearing, and this is the Alcott sweater vest. Right now I'm not wearing it with anything underneath because obviously we're in a transitional period right now where it's still really warm, but I also want to be cozy and feel like fall. So honestly, a sweater vest is the way to go because you can wear it on its own, but you can also wear it with something underneath. And this one has the prettiest texture. It looks very knit. This is one of my crochet patterns. It came out the beginning of this year, and I absolutely love it. I'm so proud of this design. It is so cozy and so beautiful, and it just kind of has that dark academia vibe to it. And this free crochet pattern uses DK weight yarn, and it comes in sizes extra small to extra large. It's a really quick garment project because obviously you're not dealing with sleeves or anything, so this is a perfect piece that if you want to make something really fast and be able to wear it, this is for you. And while we're on the topic of garments, this granny square cardigan is so cute. It's so cozy. I personally loved the cropped fit of it. I love how it has a little patchwork vibe to it. I'm looking at the pattern right now, so if I'm looking over to the side, it's because I'm looking at my notes. But there's also, I think, a video tutorial for this pattern. There's lots of diagrams and lots of assistance with this pattern, so you can easily make it. I love that it just uses the classic simple granny square, and it is just so sweet, and it's perfect for using up scraps of yarn too, which is perfect and honestly the ideal project. This pattern uses worsted weight number 4 yarn, and it's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I love granny squares, and I feel like fall is just the perfect time to really let them shine. I feel like they just have that really cozy, more vintage vibe to them that is just so sweet and so perfect for autumn, and it just gives all of the cozy vibes. So when I saw this blanket pattern that is called the Riverbend blanket that uses the granny stripe stitch, and again, this is another pattern that is perfect for scraps, I knew I had to include it. I could just imagine this blanket in beautiful browns, oranges, creams, just all of the fall colors. I feel like this is like the perfect campfire, outdoorsy fall blanket. I think it is so beautiful, and I love how it uses a variation of different stitches. So it's not just the granny stripe stitch, but it uses a variety of other stitches, and I think it is so beautiful. And again, perfect for scraps and perfect for using lots of different fall colors. I think it is absolutely beautiful. This pattern uses worsted weight yarn, and it does come in one size, but there is a video tutorial, and I'm sure you could easily adapt the pattern to make it any size you'd like. And if you'd like a really quick accessory to make for fall that would also be really great for gifts, the pearl headband is one of my designs, and it is so sweet and so beautiful, and it is such a luxurious headband. It is double thick. You crochet it in a tube, and it's so freaking cozy. I wore it so much last winter. It kept my ears so warm, and I feel like headbands are a great transitional piece as well because it's not like a full hat, but you still can stay warm. So for any fall activities that you have, this headband is perfect. The headband comes in several different sizes ranging from child to adult large, as well as different widths. So if you like a really thick headband or a skinnier headband, all of that is written out in the pattern, as well as there is a video tutorial for this as well. It uses fingering weight yarn and mohair held together for a really luxurious fluffy, cozy headband. And I absolutely love how this looks knit. It is so easy to crochet. Because it uses slip stitches, it does take a little bit longer to crochet than a normal headband, also because it is double thick, but I think it is so worth it because it is so cozy and luxurious. And I feel like this would not be a proper crochet patterns for fall video without the perfect beanie. And you guys, this alpine beanie pattern is so cute. It uses bulky weight yarn, so it is extra cozy. It works up really fast, and the stitches used in this pattern create the most beautiful texture that looks so squishy and cozy. And this pattern does come in sizes newborn all the way to adult, so you could literally make this hat for the entire family in no time because of the super bulky weight yarn. It is so fast and so cozy and perfect for fall. When I saw this scarf pattern, it instantly gave me early 2000s nostalgia. First of all, I love that you can use scrap yarn. You could put in so many different colors and use up all of your scraps of yarn, as well as it's just fun. Like, all of the colors you could put in this is just a fun scarf to wear. You could obviously do it all in one solid color, but I think doing the multicolored variation in stripes and sizes is just so fun, and it almost kind of gives it like this quirky Gilmore Girl vibe that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I'm in the middle of my Gilmore Girl rewatch right now, so thinking about Gilmore Girls while I was looking at this pattern, I was like, this is perfect. I have to include this. Again, this would be a really simple crochet pattern, super mindless for taking out and about on all of your adventures or watching TV in the evenings. This is a really easy pattern that would be really mindless and therapeutic to work on. One of my favorite crochet projects to make in the fall is pumpkins. They are just so fun, and I love that there's so many different types of pumpkins you can crochet from. Like, I have my pumpkin pillow out here, or you can do smaller, more decorative pillows. So I always enjoy going through the patterns, seeing what's available as far as pumpkin. And these wheat stitch crochet pumpkins really stood out to me. Like, they look like a hand knit sweater that has been turned into a pumpkin. Like, it is so cozy. I cannot even begin to tell you. Like, they are truly so cute and cozy. I absolutely adore these. Like, I really hope I have the time to make them this year because they're just so cute and cozy. Like, there's literally no other word to describe how I feel about these, and I feel like I'm overusing the word cozy in this video so much. I'm so sorry if that annoys you because I feel like I'm annoying myself by saying that, but truly I don't think that there is a pattern that screams fall, autumn more than these pumpkins. It comes in several different sizes, which is great, and again, another great project for using up any scraps of yarn, any orange, yellow, brown, gray, white, like you name it, you could use that yarn for this pumpkin. And like I said, there are several different sizes available in this pattern, as well as there's a video tutorial available as well. And for a little bit of a different crochet project, when I saw these candy corn cuties, I about died. They're so cute. Fun fact, candy corn is like my all-time favorite candy, like of all time, and so I always have to treat myself to some candy corn every fall. And I think these would make such a sweet little gift if you're going to like an autumn party, like giving these out to people, like just giving these out to friends and family throughout the fall autumnal season. I think is so sweet. And this is a free crochet pattern, and they're just so freaking cute and just such a cute little decoration for fall. I even think you could like turn this into a garland and like string that up somewhere, and I think that is just so cute and something a little bit different from the other patterns that I've shared. And of course I couldn't just share one beanie pattern. This diamond granny square beanie really stood out. It has this like plaid gingham vibe that I'm really drawn to. The color combinations you could do with this pattern are endless, and you could really go for a ton of fun different vibes with this beanie. This pattern uses acrylic yarn, and it comes in sizes newborn all the way to adult large, and I believe that there's also a video tutorial that comes with this pattern as well. Again, another really fun beanie pattern that is really unique. Like, I feel like it's hard to find crochet beanies that really stand out and that are different from a more traditional like ribbed beanie pattern. Like, I don't know if I'm making sense, but this one really stood out because it is so unique and it is so beautiful, and I feel like this would be great for honestly crocheting for markets, but then also making for yourself, for friends, family, gifts. It is so cute and so fun. And to round out this list of patterns, I have this houndstooth crochet cowl. I love houndstooth as a pattern. I think it is so chic and elevated. So of course I was instantly drawn to this cowl. Cowls are so practical because you can easily wrap them around your neck and then tuck it into your coat or jacket and stay so warm. And this one is really unique as it has the houndstooth pattern texture, but then it also has ribbing on either side, which I feel like really elevates it and really completes the cowl and gives it a nice finished edge. And I think it is the perfect accessory for fall and to really elevate any fall fashion. This pattern does use worsted weight yarn, and it does come in just one size, but you could easily adjust this to any size. There's lots of notes in the pattern to help you out, and there's also a video tutorial as well, which is always really helpful. And that is all of the patterns that I have to share with you today. In these types of videos, I always like to include a variation of garments, accessories, home decor, cozy blankets, things like that. So I didn't want it to be too overwhelming either. And if you like more crochet pattern ideas for the season, please let me know. I'd be happy to make more videos like this. But thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments which pattern was your favorite and which one you think you'll make first. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts, and I hope you all have a lovely and cozy day and that you're just soaking up all of the cozy fall days, working on all of your cozy fall hobbies, and checking off all of the cozy things off of your fall bucket list. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. I will talk to you in the next video.